Hi students, in last lecture we studied the packing of three-dimensional crystals, from which second type is stacking of two hexagonal close pack layers. In close pack layers there are two types of voids are created, that is, one is tetrahedral void and another is octahedral void. For example, the one layer of HCP, hexagonal close pack layer, is placed to the another layer, that is, this is first layer A, B, A, and again same layer placed over it. This layer is A, B, again A. The close pack of this structure produces two type of voids, that is, first is octahedral. Octahedral void is observed in the three spheres of upper layer and one sphere of lower layer. In the diagram we observe three spheres of upper layer, three sphere of upper 1, 2, 3 and one sphere of below layer. This void is tetrahedral void, that is, this sphere is of lower layer and 1, 2, 3, three spheres of upper layer produces the empty space. Empty space means void. This void having shape tetrahedral void. Again, one type of void is observed in this structure, that is, observe the three spheres of below layer and three sphere of upper layer, that is, here 1, 2, 3. These are the three sphere of below layer and 1, 4, 5 and 6. These spheres of the upper layer produces the void. Empty space with this crystal is having shape octahedral. Octahedral means hexagonal shape. This type of geometry called as octahedral. And tetrahedral, this is tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void and octahedral voids, number of tetrahedral void and octahedral voids in this close packing structure, that is in HCP close packing three-dimensional structure, are, if the number of spheres are n, then the tetrahedral voids are twice n, means the number of sphere n, then tetrahedral voids are twice n, and octahedral voids are also n, means the number of spheres and number of octahedral voids are same and tetrahedral voids are two times greater than the octahedral voids. Then next point is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means every crystal is formed by close packing structure, and when the process of crystallization produces to form different types of voids, that is holes in this close pack structure, means some empty spaces are remaining in the crystal and some occupied spaces. Means occupied space and unoccupied by the particles, that is voids. Occupied, unoccupied means voids. There are three types of unit cells here. First is simple unit cell, first simple unit cell, second body centered unit cell, and third is face centered unit cell. The packing efficiency of these three types of unit cells are different with each other. That is, the point is packing efficiency of these unit cells. First, we start the simple unit cell, means packing of simple unit cell, that is the empty space in simple unit cell or voids in simple unit cell. The packing of efficiency is find out the formula. By formula, packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particle upon the total volume of unit cell. The formula for all unit cells is same. The packing efficiency of unit cell can be calculated by formula volume occupied by particles. Means in simple unit cell there is one particle, that is 1/8. In last lecture we see the 1/8. This is cube having 8 corner and 8 corner having one sphere. Means in this cube every corner occupies 1/8 position of the particle. Means 1/8 position into 8 is equal to 1. Means in simple unit cell one particle is associated with this unit cell. Therefore the volume occupied by this particle n upon total volume of unit cell, means the total volume of unit cell, these voids also and this particle. This is the packing efficiency. Here in simple unit cell we calculate the packing efficiency of simple unit cell. For this, packing efficiency can be calculated by first radius of these spheres. Every spheres of this unit cell is same. Therefore the radius of unit cell is every side having same length, that is a, and the distance, the sphere associated with this type, every side having length a and radius of sphere is half to the a. Therefore first is radius of sphere is a is equal to twice r. A side length is a, therefore the half a is the radius, means r is equal to a upon 2. This is the radius of sphere. In first step we find out the radius of sphere. Again step Second is volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Only one sphere. Volume of only one sphere. Volume of sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula of volume of sphere or circle, that is sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. R means A upon 2. Put this value in equation of volume. Therefore, V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi A upon 2 thrice. The simplification of this equation, A having cube, A cube and 2 raised to cube means 6. Therefore, the simplification of this calculation is pi A square upon 6. This is the volume of only one sphere of this simple unit cell. Here we find out the volume of sphere, and then next we calculate the packing efficiency of this simple unit cell. For this, third step is step third, the total volume of particle. This volume of sphere, only one sphere, but in SCC means in simple unit cell there are only one particle is present. Then third point is volume of particles. Volume of particle. Volume of particle, again V is the volume of sphere. Volume of particle is V is equal to 1 into pi A square upon 6. 1 for simple unit cell. The number of particles present in the simple unit cell is 1, because 1 upon 8 into 8, 1 position acquires 1 upon 8 into 8 corners. Therefore, in simple unit cell, the number of particles are 1. Therefore, 1 into volume of one sphere is equal to pi A square upon 6. This is the same formula for volume of particle, because in simple unit cell only one particle is present. Then fourth step is total volume of particle. Third step, fourth is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency of SCC means simple cubic cell. Here the formula packing efficiency is equal to out of total volume of unit cell, only volume of one sphere or volume of sphere into 100. This formula for calculate the packing efficiency of unit cell, simple unit cell. The volume of sphere, only one sphere, upon total volume of unit cell into 100. The volume of sphere is V is equal to pi A square upon 6. The volume of sphere is the pi A square upon 6, and total volume of unit cell, is A cube. A cube is the total volume of unit cell into 100 into 100. Therefore, A cube get cancelled, and by adding the value of pi 3.14, here the answer is 52.36%. That is, in simple unit cell, the packing efficiency means the packing part of this unit cell is 52%, 52.36%. That is 100 minus 52.36. The remaining is voids, means empty spaces. That is 47.64% is the voids, empty space in the simple cubic unit cell. This cell of simple unit cell having close packing means occupied space is 52% and remaining 47.64% is the empty space, means voids. And in all type of unit cells, the packing efficiency and voids are different. Here we get the packing efficiency of simple unit cell. Packing efficiency is 52.36%, means occupied space, and voids, empty space, that is 47.64% are the voids in SCC, simple cubic unit cell. Then second point, for packing efficiency, calculate the packing efficiency of body centered unit cell, means BCC. BCC is different than FCC. Calculate the packing efficiency of body centered unit cell. The diagram for body centered cubic unit cell, the 8 sphere at 8 corner, from which here we draw only the spheres of this point 1 and again the center point. We draw the line AF for calculating the packing efficiency. We draw the line AF and again A to D. Here A D and F D, because in here the one particle at the A point and one particle at the body, means body center, because we calculate the packing efficiency in body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell means 8 corner having 8 particle and 1 particle at the body, at the center. Therefore the triangle ADF, in triangle AFD, according to in triangle, first here also E. Firstly we see in triangle FED, means FED, F E and D. According to Pythagoras Prameya, FED, angle FED is equal to 90 degree Celsius. 90 degree means according to Pythagoras theorem, FE square is equal to FD square is equal to FE square plus DE square. This calculation for first the calculation of radius. We find out the radius by this formula FD square is equal to FE square plus FDE square according to Pythagoras Prameय. Side length is A, FD square A square plus A square. A square plus A square is equal to twice A square, means FD square having distance twice A square. Twice A square, again in triangle, this is first triangle, again another triangle AFD, triangle AFD, the angle of F having 90 degree, means angle AFD is 90 degree. Here also AFD AF square is equal to the addition of FD square plus AD square. AF square is equal to FD square plus AD square means FD square means A square and AD square is the two times of FD, means plus twice A square, that is AF square means thrice A square. Thrice A square means in body centered unit cell the distance of AF2 is thrice A square. Then AF square is equal to thrice A square, therefore A square root taking both sides, AF is equal to under root 3A. Again from this diagram AF is the 2 times of A, means 4R, that is here clear from the diagram AF is equal to 4R. The distance of AF is the twice A, because FD is the A and 2 times of this, the distance of AF is twice A. Twice A, the half of twice A means from diagram here AF is equal to 4R. Both equations are equate to each other, therefore under root 3A is equal to 4R. Here we calculate the radius of the sphere. First step of the calculating packing efficiency is calculate the radius R. R is equal to under root 3A upon 4. This formula for radius of sphere. Then second step is volume of one sphere. Efficiency calculated in 4 steps. First is radius of sphere, then second is volume of sphere, and then third is volume of total particles present in the BCC, and last is the packing efficiency. Here we see only the first step, calculating the radius of sphere. Again, second step, the volume of sphere. Only one sphere from the body centered unit cell. Only one sphere. That is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This formula is fixed for every sphere. Volume of one sphere. Then third is volume of, here the R3, put this value of R, V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi under 3 upon 4 a cube. R3, R, put this value of R under root 3 upon 4 having cube, 3 cube and a cube. By this simplification, we get formula by taking square root, and we get formula under root 3 upon 16 pi a cube. Under root 3 upon 3 pi a cube upon 16. By calculation, we get formula V is equal to under root 3 pi a cube upon 16. This formula for only one sphere. Again, third step for find out the total volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. Second is volume of only one sphere, from which we calculate the volume of whole unit cell. Volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell of BCC. This type for BCC means body centered unit cell. In body centered unit cell, there are two particles present in the BCC. 8 corner acquires 1/8 position, 8 corner of cube, and 1 at the body center means plus 1. Therefore 8 get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is, in BCC there are 2 particles. In simple unit cell only 8 particles, therefore 1 particle in SCC, but here in BCC the particles are 2. Therefore the total volume of unit cell is equal to, the total volume of unit cell is equal to the volume of one sphere into number of atoms. The number of atoms in BCC 2 into volume of one sphere 3 pi a cube upon 16. Therefore the last formula here, total volume, we get under root 3 pi a cube upon 8. This is the total volume of BCC. Again, fourth step is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency of BCC, body centered unit cell. The formula, the total out of total volume is the a cube and under root, this is the volume of BCC, under root 3 pi a cube upon 8 into 100. This is the packing efficiency of BCC. By the simple calculation, A3 get cancelled, pi having value 33.14. By adding this value and calculating the value, we get packing efficiency is about 68%. The answer of this volume packing efficiency is 68%. Means in FCC, BCC, the packing efficiency is greater than the SCC, because in simple unit cell in the body there is no any sphere, means empty spaces are greater than the BCC. In BCC, 8 corner at the 8 position, 8 sphere at the 8 corner and 1 sphere at the center, means occupied space is greater, that is 68%. 68% are the occupied space or packing efficiency. And voids means empty spaces, the empty spaces other than the spheres, the space other than the sphere is 100 minus 68% is equal to 28%. 28% is the 32% is the voids present in the BCC. That is, by this we get the empty space and means voids and occupied space, 32% voids and 68% occupied space. Again, next point is the packing efficiency of FCC, third type. Packing efficiency of FCC. FCC means face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell means the structure here. This is unit cell. For calculation, we draw only 3 sphere. One of this sphere face means one of this face and another of this corner, means A, B, C and D. The triangle A, B, C, triangle ABC, because the line is passes through the sphere of corner A to C, also passing through the sphere of face. The triangle ABC. Here we observe the triangle ABC. The angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. According to Pythagoras theorem, the AC square, a hypotenuse AC square is equal to addition of square of sides, that is AB square plus BC square. Then the side length AB A square, also BC plus A square, that is twice A square. From this triangle we get the AC square is equal to twice A square. But here the AC taking square on both sides square root, we get AC is equal to under root 2A. Again under root twice A is equal to 4R. From AC having the distance double than the BC and AB. Therefore, AC is equal to 4R. AC, by calculating we get AC is equal to under root 2 into A, and from diagram AC is the double at B, C and A, B, therefore AC is equal to 4R. Equate these two equations, that is under root 2A is equal to 4R. This we solve this equation, the radius, first step, stage first is radius. Here we calculating the radius of sphere, radius of one sphere. The radius of one sphere, that is R is equal to under root 2A upon 4. We get formula of radius is under root twice 2A upon 4. Then next step is put the value of A. Volume of particle is equal to second step. This is first step, R value. Second step is volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to, means V is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Again the value of R put in equation of volume. Therefore V is equal to 4 by 3 pi R means under root 2 A under root 2 upon 4 cube A cube. This is the volume of one sphere. Volume of one sphere, by simplification we get the formula of pi R pi A cube upon 12 under root 2. By calculation we get formula pi A cube upon 12 under root 2. This is the volume of only one sphere. Then third step is volume of whole unit cell, means volume of total unit cell. Volume of total unit cell means in FCC there are 4 particles, that is 1/8 into 8, 8 corner of 8 particle, and 6 faces having one, each face having one particle, that is one particle occupies half position of the unit cell, means 1/8 position occupies by 8 corner plus 1/2 position occupies 6 particle, 6 faces. 6 faces occupies half position, therefore 8 get cancelled, 2 into 3, therefore 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. In FCC the number of particles are 4. The total from which volume of total unit cell can be calculated, that is volume of unit cell is equal to unit cell containing 4 particle into volume of one sphere, 4 into pi A cube upon 12 under root 2. Here we get, by simplification calculation, we get formula pi A cube upon 3 under root 2. This is the volume of FCC. And last is fourth, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency of FCC is equal to the volume occupied by unit cell upon total volume of unit cell into 100. This is the volume occupied by FCC, that is pi a cube upon 3 under root 2. This is the volume of occupied by unit cell into total volume is a cube, and again into 100. A cube get cancelled. By adding the value of pi 3.14 here, calculate this formula and we get the answer is 74%. Means in FCC the occupied space is 78%, because of in FCC every corner contains particle and every face also contains particle. Therefore the occupied space is greater in the FCC than BCC and SCC. 74% is the occupied space and remaining are the voids, means empty space. Means 100 minus 74%. 100 minus 74%, here we get 26% of voids. 26% of void in FCC. That is, from all these calculations, here we get the empty space and occupied space of three types of unit cell. First is SCC, simple unit cell, second BCC, body centered unit cell, and third is FCC, face centered unit cell.